here we are in Dinny's lovely 1974 Land Cruiser. Say hello for the camera, Dinny.
Hello.
Hiya. We're just doing the Meet the Owner video now, where we're going to be going along the road on a sort of A road, I suppose this is, just to see how the car handles and what we're doing, and have a chat with Dinny about the reasons he's bought the car in the first place, what he's done to it, and why he's selling it. So, Dinny, if you can tell me first of all, what attracted you to the Land Cruiser in the first place?
I've always wanted one. I grew up on a farm in Ireland, and we had a few when I was growing up, and I've always wanted to have one as a sort of weekend fun car.
Cool, and how long did you spend looking around for this particular one?
About 6 months.
Right, so how many did you look at before? Was it quite a few, or was it just not that many around, or was there really quite a lot around? Yeah. Surprised, really.
When I bought this, there wasn't many for sale in this country, so I actually bought this in Belgium.
Right, so certainly travelled a fair way then.
Yes.
And since you've had it, what have you? How long you had it, and what have you done to it?
I've had it for 2.5 years, and I've done everything.
What sort of ground up?
Yeah.
Restoration sort of thing, really.
Went through the engine completely, brakes, suspension, every body mount, every body rubber is brand new.
Cool, and how much of that did you do yourself, or was it all specialist?
I've got a couple of local guys who've done everything for me, specialist 4x4 people.
Right, and obviously when people have a look, they can see all the service history that you've had done on the that we've taken. So
all OMG parts where I could.
Right, okay, yeah, fair enough. And so why are you getting rid of it now?
I've got 2 other projects on the go. One another Land Cruiser and one an old Range Rover.
Cool. So time basically, I suppose, or lack of.
Lack of time and lack of storage.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. Makes sense, doesn't it? Let's just see what's... Is there anything else that needs doing to the car, or is it all pretty much sorted now?
Everything's done.
So ready to go for the next owner, hopefully?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool, lovely. Well, that was the Meet the Owner video. In a minute we'll be doing on the road video, and you'll be able to hear a bit more about the car and go through the gears a bit.